Hey, welcome. In this video, we are going to discuss about the concept of order of matrix. Okay, so the concept of order of matrix is very important. Without the understanding the order of matrix, you will face many difficulties in the upcoming days in the matrix chapter. Okay, that's why in the initial phase, okay, you have to understand the concept of order of matrix. It is very easy. Okay, the basic the definition or the statement for the order of matrix is that the number of rows and column present in a matrix gives the order of matrix. Okay, the concept of rows and column. Okay, I have already mentioned in the previous lecture that what is rows and what is column. Okay, so it is just the number of rows and column. How many rows and how many columns are present in any given matrix gives the order of matrix. Okay, now let's say example, that is, now matrix is A. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so how many rows and how many columns are there? You can easily identify the number of rows and number of columns because we have already discussed about it. Anyway, here this is the row 1. Okay, another row is, and another row is R3. Okay, so here we have 3. Okay, 3 rows, and similarly we have one column and another column is that C2. Okay, so here the number of rows and columns. So first of all, we have to write the number of rows. Okay, that is in this case 3. Okay, 3, and number of column is that 2. Okay, 2. So a matrix can be considered in the order of 3 by 2. Okay, so we have to read 3 multiplied 2 as a 3 by 2. Okay, so let's see another example, B matrix. Okay, so B matrix is that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, this is the matrix B. Okay, so what is the order of matrix B? It is very easy. We have, this is the R1. Okay, another R2, another R3. Okay, this is the column 1, column 2, and column 3. Okay, so this matrix, the order of this matrix is that 3 by 3. Okay, that's it. So the few point here is that so now it is also denoted by a this matrix. Okay, so in this case A matrix is, but we'll write by B 3 by 3. Okay, so I would like to write here, it is also denoted by 3 by 2 or A3 by 2. Okay, that's it. So the important point here is that sometimes write down write a matrix whose order is 4 by 1. Okay, sometimes this type of question you can be asked this type of question. Write a matrix, okay, whose order is 4 by 1. So how to write? Now let's look at this. Now let us consider the matrix is A. Okay, so 4 and 1, the 4 indicates that it is rows, and 1 indicates that it is column. Okay, so we must have 4 rows, that is 1 2 3 4 rows. Okay, so we must have 1 column, that means only this column. So we can write any number here, 1 2 4 sorry 5 5 6. Okay, any number you can write. This is the 4 by 1 matrix. Okay, sometimes write down 1 by 4 matrix. Okay, so this concept is that a matrix, so we must have one column, sorry, one row and 4 column. Okay, that is 1 2 3 4. Okay, one column, sorry, one row and 4 column. Okay, 1 2 3 4. This is the 1 by 4 matrix. Okay, so sometimes I would like to show you that 3 2, sometimes we have already done 3 2 3 1. Okay, sometimes you can be asked 3 4 matrix. Okay, so 3 4 is that 3 is the row and 4 is the column. Okay, so we must have 3 row, 1 2 3, 3 row. Okay, so column is 4, that is 1 column, 1 2 3 3 1 2 3. So we have 4 column. Okay, and 3 row, that is we can write any number here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, which is 3 by 4 order matrix. So I hope you understood the concept of order of matrix.